Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. I've come across a lot of videos online of people making fish powder from catfish and I decided to try it. In today's video, I'll share with you how I made my own fish powder in the comfort of my own home and I hope you enjoy watching. Please stay with me and watch to the end. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. To make my own homemade fish powder, I'll be needing fish obviously. And in here, I have my smoked catfish. What I have here is mainly the head of the fish. I don't have the tail or the center part, so I'll be making my own homemade fish powder with just fish head. After watching a lot of videos of people making fish powder, I decided to give it a shot. Afterwards, I started collecting fish head. I usually dispose this, and this is what I was able to collect over time. This is a lot, and you can agree with me that this fish head contains some amount of flesh in it. In a few minutes, I'll transform this from fish head, just fish head, into something very yummy and delicious. So let's get right into it. I decided to dry out the fish head to make it very crunchy before crushing it, and I left it in the oven for about 7 minutes. After about 7 minutes, I went back to check on it, and this is what I have. I'll transfer this into my mortar and using my pestle, I'll pound it for a few minutes. The reason I'm doing it this way is because transferring the fish head directly into my blender and blending right away would definitely spoil the blades of my blender because this fish contains some very strong bones. But using my mortar to crush it for a few minutes will help break up the bones, and then I get to take out the very strong bones and then make the blending process easy. I took out the bones off camera and this is what I'm left with. This is mainly the fleshy parts of the fish. So this is the second batch of the fish head and I want to transfer this into the oven. I'll let this to stay in the oven for at least 10 minutes because this is a lot. If you're coming across this channel for the first time today, hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Oge. Kindly consider subscribing to be a part of this amazing YouTube family. I promise you're definitely going to love it here. You get value for your time and subscription is absolutely free. I'm done pounding the fish and this is what I'm left with. You can see I separated the bones from the fleshy parts. I'll dispose the bones and then transfer the fleshy parts into my blender and blend into fish powder. So these are the kind of things you get to see on this channel. I know you like what you see, right? So if you don't want to miss out on this kind of videos, quickly smash the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you're among the first to get notified whenever I post new videos. And here is a big shout out to all my amazing and returning subscribers. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you all so much for all you do for the channel. You all hold a special place in my heart and you know that. Thank you for the likes, the shares, and the beautiful comments. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you all so much. If you enjoy watching food recipes and you don't have patience for long form videos here on YouTube, I'm also active on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And the name to search for is Oge_Anyaoku on Instagram and Oge Anyaoku on Facebook and on TikTok. Kindly follow me on these platforms. Watch my videos, like, share, just do the good stuff. I'm done blending my fish powder and it looks really yummy. I can't wait to start adding this into my recipes. I have a lot of recipes to make with this fish powder. I also have a second YouTube channel where I post vlogs. So if you're someone that enjoys watching vlogs, please check out my vlog channel at I am Oge Anyaoku. I post entertaining, engaging, and very interesting vlogs, and I'm sure you enjoy watching them. So please do well to search for I am Oge Anyaoku, subscribe to my vlog channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. I'll transfer the fish powder into my Ziploc bag and then keep it inside the refrigerator until when I have use for it. We've come to the end of this video and I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please like the video to get it to a wider reach. Share it out to your family and friends and leave me your comments in the comments section. I love to read your comments. Thank you all for stopping by and I'd love to see you all in my next one. Bye.